Hi guys, it's me. I hope that you're doing super well today. So today we're going to alter some clothespins. I get these clothespins from the dollar store. They come in a bunch of different sizes. I'm using the biggest ones that I could find though, and they come like 20 in a pack. But I really love to use these clips in so many ways. You can make them into magnets. You can clip information on boards. I mostly use them to open up my art journal pages so they lay flat. They look really great on Instagram if you take pictures and you need the pages of your journals to open. So all I'm going to do is use an adhesive. I'm using the Deco Arts Deco Page glue and sealer. So that's what I'm going to use. And then I'm just going to tear just scraps that I have laying around of just all different kinds of papers. I kind of use lots of contrast. I really like them when they have tons of contrast. And then I picked like a piece of paper. I think it's a piece of phone book, and then a piece of book page paper that just has a lot of blues and greens in it. I just liked how that looked kind of with all these scraps that I have going on here. So you're just gonna apply glue to the back of where you're going to put the piece of paper, and then you seal it with a glue too, in case you don't know how to use the Mod Podge or something like that. So this is a super fun project that I've been wanting to share with you for a long time. So I really hope you enjoy this video. So I'm just gonna do both sides. I let one side dry, so you'll see that I'll do one side, then I'll let it dry, then I do the other side. Then a neat trick that you can use, because as you can see, I did not glue everything on perfectly. It kind of overlaps or overflows onto the side. You can even use washi tape, like that lined piece of stuff is actually washi tape. So washi tape's a great way. And I think I use handmade paper from Mulberry Paper and more. Just tons of stuff, whatever you have. And these look so great. But anyway, as I was saying, so you're just going to do the front side and the back side. And then after that, you can use an emery board to remove any of the papers that are kind of sticking out on the edge. And it works really well. Just get a strong emery board. I use like one from the dollar store, like the cheap, like 10-pack ones. And that didn't work out well because some of the papers were really thick. You can also use sandpaper or a sandpapering block, and you just kind of scrape it off, and it creates this really nice clean edge on the clothespin. So very cool. So I hope you enjoy this video. I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week, and I have a special video for you tomorrow, so make sure you come back to the channel. Bye I'll see you next time.